Hi guys, I am playing Minecraft.
What?
I am playing Minecraft right now. And this is my Dark Empire. Dark Empire.
I don't know.
Okay, and over here you could see me. So here's a friend of mine. Hi, Spider.
Oh no, I just pointed a gun at the cop.
And also, I have wings in my character.
Okay, we'll just park
Wow.
here for now. I forgot. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We stole Dwayne The Rock Johnson's car, and yeah, let me know what celebrity I should steal from next. Smash like 50,000 likes for the next one. Peace out, guys.
Okay, here's the light, and people don't actually know that, and I'll give you an introduction since I've actually never videoed Minecraft. Okay, so here is the entrance. And wait, what's that? Oh, okay, I thought I saw something. Rewind the video if you see I saw something. Like, oh my god.
Three. Okay, you know what? Fine. Well, I'll see you guys in like 5 minutes when I get to the upgrade machine. I'll be right back. Okay, we're almost there, guys, but look, when I jump, I go about 1 inch off the ground. Also, Franklin, how are you moving your back like that? My God, I'm worried about you, Franklin.
Okay,
Hopefully I'll be able to get up this freaking
let's go
ramp.
down.
Please. Yes, we got it. Okay.
And
2,
because
1.
I come, oh, I forgot where I came from.
This is a bike?
Oh no.
Yes. What? I'm so confused on what I'm even driving. What is this? Okay.
Oh,
I mean, it's
oh
got
yeah.
an engine, kind of. You see
I
that kind of
lost
engine on the back?
it. I could go to spectator, but okay, I finally found it. So here is my kingdom, royal kingdom of darkness. I made these pillars myself, actually. Oh, and MK's gonna join me. Let me see. It was none.
Are you kidding me? I guess I did kind of murder 2 people, but alright, I gotta go. Sorry about that,
Okay,
guys.
let
It's a
me
prank.
see.
Hopefully cops don't find me.
And
Let's
it's
upgrade
Home
real quick.
Viber
This is
v
really
admin.
hard. I literally see
Okay.
cops. Okay, we gotta go quick. They won't notice me.
Home
until I get in the
Viber.
car, right? Or bike, whatever. 3, 2, 1.
So here is my royal dark kingdom. And MK's a protector. So I have this black banner which is designed by me. And yes.
You just missed me. Wait, where are the cops? I'm so confused. Cops are just gone. All right, that's fine. It's fine.
Okay, and I'll put these on my pillars. Here and here. Oh yay!
Okay, but can we clear the 14 people? It's not 16 anymore. All right, come on. Ooh.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Perfectly. I couldn't have done that better. That was amazing. This bike's pretty sick, but I want faster. We need faster. I want thousands of miles an hour. Let's upgrade immediately. 3, 2, 1.
Let me. I'm not gonna talk for now. For now, you're gonna watch me.
I love it. What
Okay.
is this freaking bike?
Okay, I turned on my mic, and over here is where
28 people jump. Bro, can you stop? What is it actually doing? 3.
is where the hole that I can't cover
Really hard to drive. 3,
is.
2, 1. No. Oh my god.
Oh my god! And if I break
Sorry about that.
even one of these,
I like how I just got back up.
that happens. Yeah.
Go,
So
go,
let's
go,
see
go, Go, go.
How
Back
many
flip.
are there?
That's a front flip. I almost did. Not gonna lie. Didn't kill
Look.
anyone that time. So that's,
I
really
actually
like
never
this,
found
actually.
actual
It's
diamonds.
got a little booster too. I don't think that helps
So
you
I
go
think
faster,
this...
does it?
Oh no. Nobody's going in there.
That booster,
One time I went there and it was so bad that not even I could even survive.
I want at least 100 miles per hour, please. This is slow
Okay,
cooked material.
and
Something
that's
better.
all for
3,
my
2, 1.
Royal Kingdom, and
Snowmobile.
goodbye.
Yeah, that's fine, I guess.
Subscribe
Everything
to
turns
Tiff
snow
Vergara
just because I'm a
and Vergara
snowmobile.
Kids
This
because
is
I'm there.
light. Yo,
Goodbye.
I like
Wait lang,
this.
let me
Okay,
emote.
How fast does it go? My mouse browse at the bottom right. We got 100.
Goodbye.
Okay,
Did you
not
saw that
that
in
much
the
faster.
left?
It's pretty
Oh my
sick, I
god.
guess. It's a little
Goodbye.
snowmobile. Oh my god, I'm gonna flip it.